So now we're gonna make the second raw organic vegan cheese. Now this recipe is in my Raw Star recipe book, and this is a nut cheese that you blend, and it's really delicious. It's very nacho cheese-like, very cheesy, satisfying. So the actual recipe is in the book, but we're gonna make it really quickly. So it's about 1/4 cup of water. And then we're gonna use Brazil nuts. Now Brazil nuts are really magical. They only grow in the rainforest. So some Brazil nuts, some turmeric, and the turmeric actually gives it the yellow nacho cheese flavor. Now, you could also use curry powder if you don't have turmeric, but it's organic turmeric. And this is organic chickpea miso. It's soy-free, they use chickpea and they make a miso. Now the cool thing with miso is it actually helps to protect you from EMF radiation, cell phone radiation, and nuclear radiation. So miso is proven to help block that type of radiation. So this is a functional food, but it also adds energy and flavor. It makes it a little bit salty. So I recommend chickpea miso from Miso Master. Then put in your favorite olive oil. Now again, we're making this really quickly, so the actual measurements and everything is in the recipe book, Raw Star Recipes. Now that we have it all in the blender, we just simply blend until smooth and serve. Make sure it's well blended and smooth. I also like to use pine nuts, but Brazil nuts is really delicious. It has that cheesy, gritty flavor and texture. And now you can pour it on top of your salads. You could pour it on top of cut purple cabbage leaves and make a super nacho. I have a lot of different recipes with the cheese, and you could put it on top of chili cheese fries. As you can see, it looks like nacho cheese sauce, and it actually tastes like it too, but it's so healthy and good for you. And in just a few minutes, you have a nacho nut cheese that's raw, organic, and vegan, good for you and the planet. So I hope you enjoyed my recipes and videos on ehow.com. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen. And now you're the Raw Star.